Welcome back to Virtual Assistant Real Talk. This is your Rockstar VA Sera. And for today, we're going to discuss essential VA qualities and skills na sure ako na kapag meron ka, talagang tatagal ka na mag-work sa client mo. So if you're interested, you better watch this video and I'm sure you're gonna learn a lot from this vlog. Yes, the first one is com skills. Actually, importante talaga na meron tayong com skills kasi depende naman yan sa trabaho na ina-applyan mo. I mean, if you are a cold caller, appointment setter, outbound or inbound caller, then definitely you should have very good communication skills. But if you are doing administrative or let's say just design and all, the communication skills will come lang naman kapag nakikipag-usap ka na sa client. And what's important is naiintindihan ng client kung ano yung sinasabi mo using the English language. But again, there are some jobs na hindi naman talaga required na magkaroon ka ng magaling na communication skills. But definitely, if you have that skill or if you have that quality, then that's a plus point. Hindi all the time babantayan ka ni client, hindi all the time talagang maya't maya kang tatanungin kung ano yung ginagawa mo. No, once na binigay sa'yo yung task once na binigyan ka ng task ng client, I mean, they fully trust you that you're going to complete the task within the specific deadline. And they don't really need to monitor you. Pero for some clients, they do. Pero to be honest with you guys, most of the clients, they don't really monitor you. Basta ibibigay lang nila yung trabaho sa'yo and that's it. They're just gonna tell you kailan nila kailangan and if it's an urgent task, then you just have to complete it. It's important that they can rely on you that you're going to complete the task or you're going to complete the work. And it's one of the qualities that they're really looking for a great virtual assistant. Since you are working at home, at dadating sa point na minsan mag-isa ka lang talaga, lahat ng kasama mo natutulog na, kahit nga yung aso mo natutulog na diba? Pero ikaw, nagtatrabaho ka pa rin. So what I'm trying to say is, if your clients are too busy that they cannot assist you and there's something na kailangan mong i-verify or i-confirm or i-check kung tama yung ginagawa mo, then you have to be resourceful. You have to do your research. You have to check kung tama ba yung paggamit ko ng system, or I forgot to ask a question, or if I have concerns with the client pero hindi reachable si client, busy siya or hindi siya makapag-respond sa'yo agad, then you have to be resourceful to actually look for options on how to solve your problem. And that's one of the good qualities of an effective virtual assistant. Actually, yan ang pinaka-importante. The time management is very, very important to all virtual assistants, especially dun sa mga nag-i-aim talaga na mag-work for multiple clients. As I've mentioned from my previous videos, it's best to go for part-time. So if you're going for part-time, tendency is you work with a lot of clients. Like say, 3 or 4 clients, kayang-kaya mo yun as long as kaya ng time schedule mo. Now, time management is very important as well, not only particular to your work, but of course sa bahay. Ngayon, since team bahay tayo lahat, nakikita ko kasing challenge based on my personal experience is hindi ko na paghihiwalay yung work sa family time. And it took me a while to actually really manage my schedule para talaga I would have or I can maximize my time sa family. So what I do is I actually request sa mga clients ko if I can go on a weekends off, because weekends off are family time. So I would ask if that's okay, and most of them naman pumapayag kasi nga they have their families too, or they have like social engagements during the weekend. So I mean we don't really know, right? Pero kasi tayo syempre kaya nga tayo nagtatrabaho para sa family pero we don't have time for family, so that's really odd, right? So that's what I wanted to also like teach you guys. Like, time management is very important. Minsan dadating ako sa point na nakikita ko pa lang yung laptop, gusto ko nang buksan kasi meron akong mga pendings or meron akong gustong i-check or something. But, I try to control myself kasi syempre yung mga bata, di ba, yung mga anak ko, and syempre, Kailangan maramdaman nila yon. I personally would like to share this to you guys because it was a challenge for me back then. I was so workaholic. And alam ko kayo din, you really wanted to give the best for your family. Pero, syempre, sila nga yung reason, diba? So, why not also enjoy them in the present times? Or enjoy them real time also. Like, dedicate a day or two with your family. You know, just watch TV and, you know, enjoy those times. Kasi, syempre, yung mga anak natin, mabilis naman yan, mabilis lumaki. Kaya, mamimiss natin yung mga ganong bagay. So, that's it. I just wanted to share you that time management is very important, not only for your work, for your clients, but of course, for your personal schedule. Trustworthy. Very important na mapagkakatiwalaan ka ng client. And, I mentioned this 100 times na clients trust you so much that they will give you their logins, their emails, and all of that access. So, buhay nila yan. And that's what keeps them running, or these are the tools that keeps their business running. So, yun, to actually give you that login details, password security, that's very, very important. So, kailangan maramdaman ng client na mapagkakatiwalaan ka niya with all of the things. And there will come a point nga kapag naging lapat na yung comfortability level ni client sa'yo, mag-share din niya ng mga personal experience. I have an experience from my previous clients that I've been working for quite a while. She started sharing personal, like her kids or her dog or even, you know, her father or something like that. So, parang naging personal na, naging close na yung working relationship namin ni client. That is because she trusted me so much. And alam ko guys na sa panahon ngayon, everything, now that we're doing it virtual, ang hirap magtiwala. And I just hope that, you know, you or who the aspiring VAs na nanonood ng videos na to or my vlogs, I wanted to just, establish that honesty and just being trustworthy, that is enough for the client to keep you in their team. And you need to establish that with your client. And now, here are 3 things that you need to remember on how to deal with your client. Alright, so number 1, if you mess up, you don't need to charge your client. And I think that's fair. Minsan, magkakamali talaga tayo. Hindi lang isang beses, 2 beses, even multiple times. And I'm telling you, clients, yes, they will get upset. But if you admit it and you apologize and you're gonna work on it as soon as possible, ma-fix mo agad yung problem, then they would appreciate that. Na-address mo agad yung problema. And one thing that I do, just to make it fair, I tell my clients that I'm not gonna charge it anymore kapag inayos ko na kung ano yung mali ko. So that's one thing, that's one way of actually gaining trust from your client. Number 2, I'm gonna tell you this guys, some or most of the clients, marami din silang hindi alam. So, mas makakatulong kung magsasuggest tayo ng mga bagay na makakatulong. Like, say for example, kung wala silang system for like managing this team or community, then do your research. Try to research some softwares, websites, or apps na makakatulong sa client. Or you can also try to look on other competitors kung anong ginagamit nila ng mga systems and suggest it to your client. Matutuwa si client sa yan kasi you're going above and beyond, and at the same time, you're really showing na talagang gusto mong tulungan si client na maging successful ang business niya. And the third one, your clients will all be different. So you need to adapt to their personalities and the way they work. So iba-iba ang styles ng mga clients natin. Ako personally guys, sa tagal-tagal ko nang nag-work as a virtual assistant at I've assisted hundreds of clients already. Talagang iba-iba ang ugali nila. Merong mga clients na they want immediate results. May mga client na medyo chill lang. Merong mga clients na very serious business lang talaga ang pinag-usapan. Meron namang mga clients sobrang friendly. Like, they're gonna make you feel that you are a family. And it's nice to actually learn from these clients kasi mas nagiging flexible ka, nagiging adaptable ka sa mga personalities. And take note guys, hindi lang personality nila. Syempre, meron din tayong mga personality. And eventually, clients will learn your personality on how you handle work. And now, for my rockstar tip, I wanted you guys to, make yourself valuable. Put value sa sarili mo. Like, put value with the work that you're doing. If the client assigns you something or gives you a task or even give you the job, make it all worth it. Make it valuable. Go extra mile. You don't really have to, have that attitude na empleyado ka and kung ano lang yung utos sa'yo or kung ano lang i-assign sa'yo o bigay sa'yo yung trabaho mo, alam mo yun lang yung gagawin mo. I mean, if you really want to be a great virtual assistant, a successful virtual assistant, I am telling you guys, you just have to go extra mile for your client. Kahit, for example, kung ang trabaho mo is like data entry, you can still, go above and beyond and create trackers, impressive trackers for that file, or even ask your client that if they need help with social media or if they need help with their emails, you're good with emails, you can do sorting or help out. The client wants to feel that you're invested with the business. This is my rockstar tip with you guys. Alam niyo guys, kapag pag may interview ako with a client, ang killer line ko talaga is, I always tell them that I don't consider myself as your virtual assistant, as an employee, but I consider myself as your business partner. I am invested in this business, and if this succeed, I succeed too. And I thank you. So yun yung killer line ko guys, and I wanted to share that with you, and you just have to say it with full confidence that the client can trust you, that you are reliable, you are resourceful, you have a very good decision making skills, and you can finish the task and make your clients happy. And that's what I wanted to, share with you guys. And ako personally, I'm very passionate in really sharing all of my information for 6 years as a virtual assistant to all of the aspiring VAs, freelancers, sa mga nasa bahay na gustong magkatrabaho. I'm really very passionate to help you guys. I am providing free training for basic VA training to all of the newbies who are interested. You can just click on the link on my Facebook page and we can chat. I usually do a one-on-one training. Hindi ako gumagawa ng class training kasi gusto ko one-on-one kasi para mas personal yung questions, kung mayroong mga concerns, and para yung pag-assist ko mas personalized. So yun ang approach ko. So I hope you guys are learning a lot from this vlog, and I am very very thankful sa lahat ng nanonood, sa lahat na nag-share, sa nagsasubscribe. I'm so happy. Ito po talaga yung goal ko, is maraming matulungan, and nakakatuwa na nakaka-receive ako ng mga messages and mga thank you, that these vlogs are very inspiring. Sobrang nakakatuwa po, and sobrang nang-motivate akong gumawa ng mas maraming pang vlogs. And don't worry, I am going to provide a lot of tips, strategies, advice, scenarios, situations, things na very straightforward, informative, no BS, and raw. Para lang tayong nagkukwentuhan, para lang, I'm just coaching you to make or prepare yourself for this VA career. So, and that's it for me today. I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa video na to. But if you like it, don't forget to click the thumbs up and click the notification bell. Share it to your friends and have them subscribe. And of course, sana magtuloy-tuloy na ang pag-VA mo. Nandito lang ako para tulungan kayo, and I'm gonna upload a lot of vlogs para sa inyo guys. So once again, thank you so much. This is your Rockstar VA Sera. Stay happy, choose to be happy.